Welcome, today in front of me HONOR Magic4 Pro, and I'll show you how to add the remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's just swipe with our two fingers to the center at the same time, and then you'll see here the card section. This means the widgets. So here we can see all the available applications which widgets we can add. Also, we can click here to classic widgets, and here you'll see more applications widgets. For example, we can see that the notepad has two different widgets, the gallery only one, the contacts 3 of the widgets, the Gmail also has only one. So for example, let's use the calendar widgets. We can see here the month view of the calendar, the schedule, or if we'll go back to the cards, so we can see that in calendar cards widgets we can see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different widgets. For example, let's use this one. Just to add it, click here, add to home screen, and now just tap the home button, and we can see that we just successfully add widget to our device home screen. We can also change this card by this way. For example, so we just add one more card here. Okay, so let's remove this weak one. I'll show you how to move this widget here on the screen. Just to do that, hold and drag it by this way. Just hold and drag to the left side if you want to move widgets between the screens, and if you want to create the new screen, just turn it back by this way. If you want to move or remove the widget, hold the card, hold and drag it here to remove icon, tap here to remove icon again, or also you can just use let's use the classic widget, for example the Chrome, just by the same way, hold and drag it here to the home screen. If you want, you can resize the widgets, just hold it, and now we can make it bigger or smaller, and by the same way we can hold and remove it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.